Hello everybody, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. This morning we have some beautiful fabric to show you, so we're very excited about that. We'll start out right up here. You can see we've got this beautiful rainbow of fabric on the counter here. This is Chroma by Northcott. You've got pretty much every color you could think of in this collection. We're going to have this one over on the color wall, so you can pick and choose depending on which color suits your needs and desires. But it's got kind of that really cool sort of paintbrush watercolor look to it. Some of them have kind of like a mix of the color previous to them. So we've got some really pretty oranges with some yellows, pinks with some yellows in here, as well as some that kind of have more of just their true colors. So like you've got this one is sort of all burgundy, but still with those multiple tones mixed in there. But it's a beautiful line, and you might remember last week we had brought out this same line but in flannel. So that is also an option if you're looking for a gorgeous flannel to go along with your regular cottons here. So that is the first line we'll show you this morning. We're gonna loop around here this way. We've still got all of our Halloween stuff up front here. The sale, which is 20% off fabric and 30% off panels, is still going through this week. It is the last week to get all of your Halloween stuff on sale, so definitely stop by. You can finish up those quick Halloween projects. And I love the idea of making the pillowcases with the Halloween fabric and using them as trick-or-treat bags. One of my favorite methods of using Halloween fabric. You can do that with any of the fabric we have here. We also have some pre-made kits up here for the pillowcases as well. So you can pop by and just grab one of those real quick, or you can make your own combination. We still have our bag of the month here for October. It's the Bubba Bowling bag right here. This one is also going to be 20% off, so definitely stop by and take a look at that. This one is a really cool bag, more sturdy and just multi-purpose sort of. So this one would be super fun to make. And yeah, all of our beautiful Halloween stuff as well. So any of that, come on in, it's on sale, but only through Halloween. And I'll show you right here, we have all of our fall stuff. We only have a couple panels left of the Slow Stroll line, which is right here. It's this gorgeous panel. We still have some of the coordinating fabrics here as well. So if you're looking at this panel, we have a couple left. Okay, and we'll come on over here. We're very excited. This is our modern section right here. So we sort of revamped this whole section here. So this whole front little table, this is all Ruby Star stuff. We just got in their brand new Firefly line, which is quite a large line here. Kind of sort of ranges from that orangey red. You've got that really pink magenta, beautiful blue teals. We've got some blacks. We've got some grays and creams. It really has everything, and it's just got that whimsical sort of feel. It's got the moths and the butterflies with the fireflies in there, with some florals as well. So this one's very nice. We've got the pre-cuts for them. So we've got the charm packs, jelly rolls. We've got some layer cakes. Ruby Star does their layer cakes a little differently. So if you're looking for them in the regular flat, normally they're 10 by 10 squares. They do theirs a little differently. They roll them up. So if you're looking for the layer cake, this is it. So this is a really fun line. Really enjoying this one. Hopefully we'll do a couple samples with it. And then we'll come down here. We have a couple new art gallery lines as well. So the first one is right here. This one is the softer side. Really fun colors, very cheerful in my opinion. And then we've got this line here as well. This is Listen to Your Heart. This one definitely has more of that fall feel. Kind of makes me want to make something and cuddle up with it and read a good book. Well, I guess that makes sense because we've got the little books here. Maybe that's what my mind went to that. And we also have the 10-inch pre-cuts for this line as well. To go along with this line, we also have the canvas here. This is the canvas that comes with the line. So this is on a 60 wide bolt, and it's this gorgeous dandelion print here. Really excited to do something with this one. I think that would be super fun to maybe make like a bag or a backpack out of. Be super cute. Okay, and moving back through here, we've got right here. We talked about this line a couple weeks ago. This one is Let It Snow by Henry Glass. We just got in this panel that goes along with it, so I just thought I would show you here. It's pretty adorable. I'm a big fan of the adorable little snowmen in this line. They are my favorite. So there's that one. So we'll keep walking through here. We're gonna walk all the way to the back, which we don't normally always get back here, but we've got a lot of fun stuff over here, so why not? And we've got a brand new line right here. This is Meow by QT. It's the super fun cats. We've got a couple little different prints mixed in there that are super fun, and some great little blenders that kind of have that sort of cat look. We also have a couple panels that go with this line. So we've got it in cream and black, and we've got kind of these little tiling blocks in here that you could cut out and do something fun with. And that goes along with this line. Oh, and it also has a border print. So it'd be super fun to do as well. And then over here, we thought these were super fun, so we made a couple little samples. These are little wine totes, so you can put your little wine bottle in these and carry it around. I think it would be so much fun to make these and give them as gifts with a little wine bottle in there. I think that would be so much fun. And I love these because they come on this panel. It's one of those little panel projects. So you just cut it out of the panel and sew it all together, and it's got the instructions right down here at the bottom of the panel. So everything you need is just right there. I believe we did line ours, but that is optional. You don't have to. But yeah, it's a wonderful, wonderful little tote. They feel very nice. Okay, then we'll come around here, work our way into Civil War. Right down here, we have Sweet Nothing by Andover. It's all of these really soft, sort of very blendable fabrics, kind of more in the low volume sort of side of things. Yeah, all of these beautiful soft prints. And those are right here. We love kind of mixing them in with some of the other lines that we've gotten in recently. So those are a lot of fun. And we'll come on over here, we'll make our little circle, and I'll stop right here first. So we've got this adorable kit by Riley Blake. This is the Winter Wonder Sampler Quilt, and we have it made just right up here so you can take a look. Did such a wonderful job. It is adorable. We will be able to link this in our live here, as well as if you're watching, on Facebook, we'll have a link for you. If you have YouTube, you can, if you're watching this on there, you can check the description and it'll send a link to our webpage where you can purchase this if you'd like to do that. I thought I'd also just mention that if you see anything anything in the lives that you just absolutely fall in love with, you can give us a call and we can mail it to you if you are out of the area. So keep that in mind and definitely let us know if that is something that you are interested in doing. So yeah, this beautiful quilt kit is for sale. We've got some of these left and they come in this little box, which is absolutely wonderful. I love keeping my projects in one place and you can reuse this box. So that is so much fun and I think that's amazing, and the quilt just turns out absolutely adorably. And then last but not least, we've got this really fun steampunk line. This is Steampunk Express by Quilt Fabrics. So we've got all of these super fun fabrics in here. It comes with a really cool border print that you could use as well. Has all of these little fun characters on there in that classic sort of steampunk style. And then we've got a couple panels here as well. So we've got the fun steampunk elephant. And this is the large panel. And then we also have this one right here. And this one is the sort of block style panel that you can use. I'll flip it around. We've got a couple going a different way. So these are super fun. We are a big fan of the steampunk. It's such a cool, different, unique style, so it works really nicely for anybody that is kind of into that. And yeah, we've got all of these fabrics, blenders as well, that are really cool. So we love that. Yeah, so we've had a nice little tour around this morning, some really fun stuff that we've gotten in. Like I said, if you saw anything in here that you just fell in love with, let us know and we can always mail that to you if you decide to do that. Or if you're nearby, definitely just stop by and say hi and we'll show you all of the new stuff. So thank you so much for joining us this morning and we'll see you next week.